Ikoy, Borata, Brian Sam, CN Brian, we have Caballes, Kabibil, Garcia, Lonoy, Macaliag, Ordeniza, Sapiler, Tingkang, and their head coach, our coach Mark Orongan.
And of course, for Barangay San Miguel Sabon Station, we have Velasco A, Biguas, Cañazares, Canyo, Carvajal, Velasco C, De Asis, Iglupas, Macasling, Maravilla, Quezon, Rebalde, Sasa, Serenuela, Trafalgar, and of course, your head coach, no other than the Lebron James ng Iligan City, Kokoy Padin. So I see absent yapon si Canyo and absent po si Serenuela. And also for St. Peter's College, absent po ilang big man nga si Lunoy. Oy. So ayan, Serenuela is very gamit kay siya nga player sa Sabon Station. So tanawan itong outcome ani sa sa performance sa Sabon Station without their big man scorer na si
And now let's
Serenuela.
And now let's call in our King Belmonte starting lineup for Team SPC Tamaraos. Playing guard we have Kabibil. Another guard we have Borata. We have playing forward Ordeniza. Another forward we have Agbonisa, and playing center we have Brian Cien.
And of course, for King Belmonte starting lineup for Sabon Station, we have guard Rebalde. And of course, Kanye is not here, so Maravilla will take his place. Forward Carvajal, power forward Iglupas, and your center Quezon. Wala magay siguro si Carvajal. Yeah, and of course, instead of Carvajal, Velasco will start the game. Ayan, so maraming
starting lineup.
Maraming wala dito sa sa Sabon Station. Yung mga key players nila wala. Now, this
All right, so now proceed to the center line tayo. So now let's go for the jump ball. So shake hands ating first five. Okay, so ingat ha and God bless po. Enjoy the game. So ito mga ka-GBL, you know what time is it?
It's game time.
So ito na guys, naghahanap ang ating Sabon Station Bubblers for their first win for tonight. So titignan natin kung anong adjustment play ang gagawin ng ating Sabon Station to take the home and the win for tonight. And our SPC, di din magpapatalo ang ating collegiate team from SPC Tamaraw. So let's start the ball game. And now let us have a jump ball.
This is gonna be a tough one for Sabon Station talaga. Kay SPC is an OG collegiate team. Ito na.
Brian,
yan.
2 points for an easy layup for Brian. Okay, SPC Tamaraw is on the board for 2 points.
Velasco to Quezon. Quezon, double team. Hindi pumasok.
Napalakas.
Nakuha ni ng Maravilla to Rebalde. Maravilla.
And to shoot.
Wow, gilusot. Nakuha ni Brian to Borata.
That would be a turnover for Sabon Station.
Brian, back to Borata. Borata, delikado kay nag-jumper. No good. Big rebound by Brian. Nakuha ni Rebalde. Rebalde, nagmamadali to Velasco. No good, but nakuha ng foul. Velasco will go to the line. Dapat dili nila pasagda ng jumper ni Borata kay delikado kay high percentage kinang.
So Velasco will be going to the line for 2 free throws. First throw tayo. No good. Ready for rebound. Shout out sa ating viewers, Japet, Villarin, kay Sabon Station Laban. Second throw, no good pa rin. Offensive rebound, nabitawan. Dalawa na yun, but anyway, another
Borata
expensive
against Rebalde to Brian.
Brian, 2 points for Brian.
Brian
score 4-0.
Iglupas. Nakita si Rebalde to Maravilla. Maravilla, napalaka ni Brian. Nagmamadali.
Caballes. Oh.
Wow.
Talagang solid yung defense na ginagawa ng SPC Tamaraw. So that way, kinanglan mag-adjust ang ating offense, ang ating Sabon Station.
First team foul.
Sa bagay, early pa sad kayo. They're trying to gain momentum pa.
Adjustments pa muna. Kumbaga.
Wala pa nang gawa sila mga init sa
Cabales,
lawas.
first row, pasok. Ready for rebound.
Ayan, sabi ni coach, gawan 2-2 daw sila.
Okay, pasok. 6-0 pa tayo. Ang tala na score, 9:57. Maaga pa naman. So tingnan natin, makababawi ba ang ating station for this play. Almost a steal.
Maravilla,
Maravillas.
Quezon sa ilalim, nabuyan.
Another turnover for Sabon Station.
Sabi ni coach, bawi, bawi. Burata, Brian. Sa kilid. Burata na naman. Nakita, oops, na steal ni...
There's a foul.
Foul committed by Brian. Not giving up on that play.
Dalawang foul na yun for number 18.
Second personal,
Wow.
second team foul.
Wow, that's too early for a second personal foul. We're still currently at 9 minutes and 57
Yes.
seconds sa first quarter.
Di pa tayo nakakababa ng at least 3 minutes, no? After
Yan.
play ko eh. Steal na naman.
Burata. Nakita si Brian. Brian with a floater, no good. Tipped by Iglupas to Quezon. Counted.
Basket 2 points for Quezon. And now Sabon Station is on the board.
Okay. Sabi ni Burata,
Maravillas
foul.
rebound. Rebalde.
No foul.
Uy, ang pasa yun.
Ayan, foul yung inabot ni Marvillas.
Substitution.
Marvilla. Ito, substitution.
First
Papasok si
personal,
Makasling
second team
at saka
foul.
si
Sasa.
Sasa. Labas, Quezon at Iglupas. Brian. Carbales. Sa kilid, no good. Ito na, nagmamadali. Wow, nice pass. Maravillas. So, wala pa rin. Sasa. Sasa. Sa kilid, no good. Maravillan.
Uy,
gets.
kinuha. Sa
Recovers.
steal, good steal by Sasa. Makasling. Rebalde.
Sa ilalim.
Velasco.
Pump fakes.
And
to shoot.
Rebalde. Jumper, 2
Ayan,
points
counted.
for Rebalde.
Ayan, the lead is now cut to 2 points.
4-6 po tayo. Kalaro score. 4-6 po tayo, ha?
Sa gilid si Brian.
Hindi tumatakbo yung time. It's already 6 minutes and 51. 6 minutes pala yun, Kuy. Okay,
Yeah, tama,
anyway.
tama. Ribalde.
Uy!
Behind the back
Gandang
pass.
backpass. Oh!
Wow!
Napalakas.
Sayang yon. Okay. Relax lang. Sabon Station, relax lang.
Oh,
You have to control your emotions.
Ganda na ano yun.
Yan kasi yung weakness nila
Alley
eh.
play up, ha?
Yan yung nakikita kong weakness nila eh. Once
Foul.
may mga
Substitution.
error na ganun, ma-frustrate agad. Yan yung mawala yung mga focus dyan eh.
First personal, third team foul.
Wala ka ng time, ha? But anyway, it's under 6 minutes and 23. 8-4 lamang ang ating Team SBC
And to
Tamaraw.
shoot. 7 to shoot, shot clock.
6 minutes tayo, 6 minutes. Hindi tumatakbo yung minute
Yeah,
time na
but
natin.
don't worry, our technical team is working on it in the moment.
Steal na naman for SBC. 2-1. Velasco on defense.
Carabilia,
D1.
Carabales.
Oh, gandang defense yun, ha? Talagang iniwanan lang ni Velasco.
Sasa.
Rebalde.
Wow. Starter
Ooh,
step.
another. Sares. Okay, sayang yun. But anyway, that will be a ball possession.
15 to shoot, shot clock. Ten to shoot.
Okay, good. Sasa on the other side. Oh, nakita.
May foul
And
na
that will
talaga
be a
yun.
basket counted.
Time out sabi ni Coach Padin.
So the score po tayo is 4-10 under 5 minutes and 43 for the first quarter. Timeout. All right, timeout ating team Sabon Station.
Sabi ni Japet, Asikia, Bilarin, just calm. Yan, tama na yung gingon. Relax lang. Kalma lang kasi yung frustration kasi grabe ng effect sa imong focus, sa imong performance. Nya sa motang sagulan pag fatigue ka nang kapoy na ka na.
Yes.
Sud kaayo. The pressure is really huge for Sabon Station since wala pa sila daog sa ilang entire games sa GBL Season 1. First throw, Burata counted.
Okay, that would be a complete three-point play for Burata. Velasco.
Double team. Ayan, ito na yung
Expected na.
ito na yung expected defense ng SPC.
So 11. Okay, that would be 12. Oh, yan, 11-4.
See, look at that. Oh, steal na pod.
Okay, bawian lang ng steal.
Nabawian lang. Wow, nice fake. No good lang. Velasco with the putback. Wow.
Sayang yun.
Naigo na sa ulo si Sasa.
4-2. 4-3. Ayan.
Wide open three. No good. Big rebound. Oh. Same ball pa rin.
Okay, inbound for Team SPC. Oh, it's a loose ball and that would be a turnover for SPC. Okay, so now ito babawi na naman ng ating Sabon Station. Titignan natin anong play ang gagawin. But tight yung depensa ng Team SPC.
Si Sasa na sad. Siya na pod. Grabe. Suki ni siya mga samad sa namong ba.
Okay, timeout. Referee timeout.
Katong niaging dula. Okay, CDRRMO if they are present. Your presence is badly needed right now. Do we have a medic with us?
Sabrep.
Agtang Yapon, same spot. Maorag Yapon, same spot.
So for this moment, guys, no, wala tayong kasama na CDRRMO again. We are very sorry for that. And apology because again, talagang on duty ang ating CDRRMO, ongoing
Ang City ang
ating,
ilang priority karon.
almost a week of rehabilitation and talagang relief operation ang ginagawa ng ating CDRRMO.
Natoy na icon dito ganina, natoy na wet wipes. Katong na wet wipes ganina nakita ko, natoy wet wipes. Tagaan niyo si Sasa. Yun, nanay tissue.
Bindan, first personal.
dawat ang tissue,
Under
pala.
penalties, PC.
Yan. Garcia. No good. Uy, big rebound by number 11. Ahasa play. Ayan, ang ganda ng adjustment ng ginawa ng Sabon Station to anti the full court press pero hapit nakuha gihapon.
10 to shoot.
May ganin naka-recover, Ribaldi sa ilalim. Too strong pass. My goodness. Number 10, nagmamadali pinasa kay Brian. Garcia pala, sorry. Tanawa ang full court press. Iglupas. Wow!
Gandang highlight yun.
Circus shot yun.
Circus shot pero pumasok. That would be an N1 for Iglupas.
Iglupas.
Substitution.
Timeout by St. Peter's College.
Okay, first time out ng Team SBC. So tala na score is we have 17-8 lamang ating Team SBC under 3 minutes and 43. The timeout is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy Iligan.
We can do it.
Okay, shoutout. Umabot natin ng 100,000, 101,000 viewers. Maraming salamat sa ating nanonood on live streaming sa ating Game Time Basketball League, and that is powered by SideTech Live Prod. Okay, so thank you so much po sa ating mga manonood. Maraming salamat. Kung gusto mo pa shoutout, nasa link, comment ang session. Ano yun? Nasa comment link. Nasa link ang comment.
Nasa comment section ang link.
Okay, anyway. So back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. So Iglupas, Makasling, Diasis, Ribalde, and Maravilla for Sabon Station. Okay, rebound. Okay, that would be a turnover for Team SPC.
Rebalde. Ayan, para naka-adjust na talaga yung
Uy, sayang lang.
Para naka-adjust na talaga yung Sabon Station sa defense ng St. Peter's, pero yun nga lang, dili nila ma-convert ang score. Kay once manggod ang full court press imong malabyan men. Open na kay na sa ilalom.
10 to shoot.
Ayan, nakita. Once maata. Sisi. Tanawa.
10 penalty.
Once ma-overcome.
Shout out kang BB, nanawag kang Mikoy.
Second personal, Garcia.
Okay, so now, eto na. Balik na naman tayo for SPC Basketball. Dalawa ng bola.
Number 1. Nakawala.
Makaliag. Ayan, 2 points for number 1, Makaliag. Ribalde. Talaga
Grabe ang ang full court. Ay! Ito kasi yung mahirap dito kasi St. Peter's parang kusog managan tanan.
Yes.
Hanginan, tagas manglayat. So, yeah.
Garcia.
10 to shoot.
2 points again for Team SBC. Score 13-29 under 30 seconds.
Ito na. Ay, too strong.
It's bola, no?
Sabi ni Coach Mark Urungan, 8 seconds rep. Wala yon. Yan, we apologize for this technicalities sa atong live stream.
14 seconds.
Hurot FB10. We're currently working on it right now.
Second personal.
Naka-live. Ongoing niya pa ng live pero kandan.
Oh, shit.
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay, ready for rebound. Biguas.
10 seconds.
Ribalde.
5,
Okay,
Wow.
strong by Makasling 2 points. Time okay, 10 of the regulation. Okay, score, tala 13, 31. Baliktad lang yung puntusan, no, pero. So that ends our first regulation, guys. So anyway, balik tayo for second quarter. So titignan natin ang adjustment na gagawin ng ating Summon Station para mahabol ang puntos ng ating Team SPC Tamaraos.
I can feel the burden of Coach Padin talaga kasi mahirap eh. Wala yung dalawang key player mo. And now, yung kanang jumper niya.
Ayan, yung mid-range
Mid-range,
shooting jumper
oh.
niya. Talagang pumapasok.
Yes.
No?
And then he jumps so high. So lisod siya i-contest. Ayan, pinakitaan na ni Quezon ng strong move sa ilalim pero hindi pa rin gumana. Burata na naman on the other end. Pinasa kay 2 points by number 20. Velasco nagmamadali against Brian.
Ayan,
Deflected. Brian pinasa kay number 18.
Brian na naman,
Bikoy.
dalawang Brian.
Burata na naman.
Ooh.
Uy. Nakita.
Substitution.
13 to shoot. Shot clock.
At ito, babalik na si Sasa. Hopefully, he's now 100% okay. 2 games straight, nasamaran yung agtang.
17:42, under 6 minutes 59.
Ten to shoot.
Quezon forcing up under the basket. And there's a foul.
Fourteen to shoot.
First
Shot clock.
personal.
Okay, Ribalde inbound. 14 seconds at clock. Cañazares. Maravilla. Ribalde.
10 to shoot.
Jumper for Ribalde.
Yan, so
No good.
finally back. Brian, tumira ng 3. No good. Big rebound by Sasa.
Eto na, Sasa is back.
Ribalde.
Quezon.
Quezon.
Cañazares. 2 points. Cañazares.
Naa si Kanyo, Boss Mikoy. Wala si Kanyo. Wala siya. Siguro na siya trabaho. Siguro.
19:42, under 5 minutes and 55. Burata na naman.
The hot hands of St.
Bang!
Peter's College is no other than Mr. Burata.
Yes, someone should stop to Burata para di lalamang yung puntos nila.
Yes.
So, Sabo Station should have a
Yeah. Dapat
stopper
na
for
tao
Burata.
gud nga mo dikit ana niya permenti. Delikado kamot eh.
Okay, Dugalde.
Nakawala pa pag ma-counted ni. Oh my
Wala
goodness.
talaga.
Quick pass sa ilalim. Wow, nice
another
strong
2
move.
points for Cañazares.
By
2
Cañazares.
points.
Burata na naman.
Bang!
Grabe, kadelikado. Somebody should stick a person on him. Dapat gina siya bantayan. Full court press. Wow, ganda ng ginawa ni Maravillas. Manoy moves.
$49.25. Burata.
Burata na naman. Burata, after Burata, grabe. Yeah, good. Back to back to back. Dapat tauhog gini si Burata. Somebody should, see? Look at this. Nakawala na naman. Ayan, sa gilid na naman, Burata wide open.
Gali. Gali. Talagang walang
Sabi ni
mahanap na
Burata,
depensa.
murag sumo naman dito nga side, dili na pud ko be. Murag yan, ginagain, yung momentum.
Yun, ito na. Time out. Substitution, time out.
Timeout, St. Peter's College, Tamaraw.
Okay, Team SPC timeout. And that timeout is brought to you by Vice Mayor Kwekwe Iligan.
We can do it.
Okay, balik tayo sa ating live streaming guys. Sorry, naputol kanina. So anyway, thank you so much ating mga live streamers na nanonood on their houses. Maraming salamat po. Rivalde.
Deflected by Ribalde.
Quezon,
Quezon.
rebound.
Good rebound by Quezon.
Rivalde dribbling the ball, looking for an open man.
Ribalde showing hope for Sabon Station.
Uy, napasak for Igloop. Oh,
Ay, sayang. Ribalde thought na itaod sa likod. Ang kusog king hapak ng Maravilla.
Marbilia's third personal.
third personal na si
Second,
Maravilla.
team fouls.
So ready for rebound ba tayo? King Kong, second throw. Basket counted.
Oy, watch out for 8 seconds violation.
Velasco for three.
Kusog kayo.
Too strong.
Good thing
Makasling.
Makasling was there to
2
put it back.
points. 31-53 for the second quarter. Under 2 minutes and 42.
Ten to shoot.
Too strong.
Wide open number 11. Ayan. May gani nakabuhi. Mao gini ampay sa full court press ba. Pag nakakatakilid kay dali ka
Pero-
ma-corner ba.
First personal, third team fouls.
Tingnan mo sa ilalim ang physicality ni Quezon. Yun!
Uy,
Pinakita ni
ayun.
Quezon yung pagkano niya. Veterans and dominant sa ilalim
Yes, 33-35.
against a much lighter players dito sa St. Peter's.
Okay, that's block.
Sasa, yan!
Velasco.
If he makes this, wow! This is
Good.
huge.
Layup 2 points for Velasco.
Ito na. Sabon Station showing spirit
Baba na sa 20 points ang lamang.
and hope na imuapas. Meanwhile,
Pumasok.
Brian. Uy! Ano yun? Ano yun? Nakita si referee.
Substitution.
As you can see, bitaw, dili pa yun starting lineup ang ginapasulod sa St. Peter's karon.
Yeah.
Wala pa ang duha ka Brian. No?
Bench player nila to.
Wala si Burata. Grabe.
Securing the health of their players, first 5 players.
My goodness.
Oh, that would be a foul, definitely.
Piting na piti na piti. Kalmar kayo si Coach Urungan. Paupo-upo lang si Coach Urungan. Sabi niya, it's okay guys, we got this.
Second
Relax muna ako
personal,
ngayon
jersey
dito.
number 7, Abendan.
No good.
SPC under penalty.
Ready for rebound. Miss pa rin.
Fifty seconds.
Nice
Okay,
floater by
Makasling
Makasling.
for 2 points. Okay, another steal for Sabon Station. Maravilla. Velasco. Oh, that would be
Dangerous pass, dangerous pass. Coach Padden was frustrated on that dangerous pass.
25 seconds.
Sabi ni Coach Padden, huwag tayo ng mga fancy pass. Gaapas ta, sabi ni Coach Padden.
Kinain ni Velasco yung
11 seconds.
Katawa. Sabi ni Coach Padden sa player niya, hey, come on man. Get yourself together, bro.
Tingkang first personal. Team penalty.
So hopefully makuha na yung pulso ni Velasco for this throw. First free throw. Basket counted, ayun. Eto na.
Wala si Carvajal, yes, wala si Carvajal. Orlando Alem, sabi niya, naunsa naman kasoy. Wala ka ng bitaw.
Basket counted, converting the 2 points to complete the free throw of Velasco.
10,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so now that will be first half of the game. SPC Tamarao 60, Sabon Station 39. And that end of second quarter, and that is brought to you by Vice Mayor Wick Wikuy League, and we can do it. So now we are preparing for our second half naman tayo for the third quarter.
Yes, we are up by 21 points. And sa St. Peter's, Tamarao, dili palang galito ilang first 5 ang ipasulod ni Coach Mark Urungan. Grabe ang
no?
ilang preparation. Grabe ang preparation niya
But
to.
if ako po ng coach,
Yeah.
I need to secure my good mga elite players since they have the commanding lead talaga of 20 plus points. So koy, I presume that tagaan gyud na to og bench
Chance,
atay
ang
ang mga bench players natin.
For exposure.
Yes.
Yeah. And ano sa tukod, kanang mo gain po sila confidence po ba?
Yes, oo, kinahanglan gid pud na.
Pero kung makita po nimo sa Sabon Station po, you have to understand that these guys are busy po sa mga ilang trabaho na siguro mao nang wala sila tayo mag-practice unlike Hello. Unlike this sa St. Peter's College na siguro na sila mag-meeting sa eskwelahan, di ba?
Yes, kanunay.
After sa ilang school hours, mag-practice sila daan kay naman sila court dito. So advantage gyapon na.
Okay, that should be po.
Malakas 'yun. Kitang-kita 'yun.
Ni bounce. Pero actually, it's a part of the game.
Tignan natin.
Itagbo, masibikoy yun.
Tignan
Ni
natin.
bounce.
First personal.
Ni bounce. oh.
First team foul.
Pero tingnan mo si number 20 men. Pangiti-ngiti lang, parang walang nangyari. Kana mo yung player, no?
Uy, gandang floater by Rebelde.
Sabi ni
Ayun,
number
ayun.
20, okay lang ko, no?
Eto
Not
na.
a flopper, Ben. I appreciate you, number 20. Na-appreciate ka namin.
Pero you know what, Kuy? Gumaganda yung laruan ng Sims Ball Station, no?
Yeah.
Ayan. Nagkagain na sila ng confidence. Oh, there we go. That would be a clean defense. So that's will be an air ball, and that would be another turnover for SPC Tamaraos.
Gahiyag na ako ng bikoy.
Tagbo yun ba? Oh, there yun. Velasco.
Ay, eto na.
Iglupas. Uy,
Interesting.
travel. That would be traveling.
Wow. I see some extra motions going on here, which makes the game interesting.
Borata. Okay, that would be a blocking foul.
Bernal, first personal. Second, team foul.
Velasco.
Wow. Yun yung sinabi ko. Yun yung sinabi ko. Oy. Yun yung sinabi ko. Yung mga extra motions. Siguro, ano na yan? Dala sa frustration, siguro. Isa na yan.
Iglopas, warning for extra motion.
Yeah. Sabi ni coach, wala kaming problema doon. It's just part of the game lang yan. Pero sa St. Peters naman, pangiting-ngiti lang yung mga players nila. Kalma na po ng St. Peters at the same time, no? Parang hindi sila nasisindak eh.
Because they know that it's part of the game.
Yeah. See? Pangiting-ngiti lang eh. Ganyan talaga yan. Physicality is definitely part of the game. Yung mga emotions, part lang yun.
Aztec, third personal. First, team foul. Sabon Station.
Wow. Tight defense. No good. Big rebound.
Timeout. Team SPC
Yeah,
Tamara.
sabi ni coach, the assist, sabi nila, rep, walang foul nun. Tignan natin. Oo. Sabi nila. Pero yun pa rin. Part of the game lang yun. Part of the game lang yun. Sabi ni Coach pa rin, wala na tayong magawa nun. Yun na yun eh. So let's go. Huddle tayo. Yan yung gusto ko kay Coach Padin. Ano din siya eh, parang na-understand niya yung side ng referee eh. He understands the side of the referee. Sabi niya, wag na kayong sabot-sabot na ng tao sa tumabuhatan to win this game. Oy! Tingnan natin kung anong tatawagin ng referee. Maganda yung laro natin ngayon
The
Parang
assist, second
interesting
personal.
to, interesting.
Second, team fouls.
Yes, kayang habulin yan ng Sabon Station.
10 to shoot.
Murata, nakawala.
2 point.
Ten to shoot.
Ano yun?
3 seconds. 3 seconds.
3 seconds violation. Ayan. Ayan, sabi ni Coach Mark, para nagka-pisikalan na yung laro natin, papasok na si Brian. Ayan, travel. Ayan, tinawagan na ha. So, relax lang tayo ha. The referee is also doing the job. Huwag na tayo, huwag na. Gitawagan na. Relax lang tayo guys, relax lang tayo. Wow, tight defense sa ilalim. Velasco. Counted. 2 points by Mr. Velasco.
Yan, gandang play na yon ha. 2 points for Velasco.
Grabe yung grabe kahuot ang depensa sa St. Peter's. Bang, pinasok na ni coach yung yung mga star players niya. Which is yung dalawang Brian at saka si Burata, of course. Ayun, oy.
Time out.
Timeout. Team Sabon Station. Score po tayo is 45-64. Under 6 minutes for the third quarter.
Brian wide open. Hesitates. Wow! Malapit yun. Hindi sinadya naman ni Velasco. Sabi ni Velasco, oops, sorry bro.
Velasco, first personal, third team fouls.
Ni Agi lang siya ato and at the same time nagtagbo sila ni Brian. Buti na lang nothing happened to Mr. Brian. The safety of our players is also our priority. Yan. Miss yung dalawang shot ni Mr. Brian. Velasco. Kita si Ribalde to Quezon. Back to Ribalde. Wide open three. No good. Quezon with the rebound. Nakuha ni Iglupas. Quezon. Strong move. No good.
Too strong.
Burata. Hala, tumira. No good. Ribalde.
Ilit.
Coast to coast. Oy, kuha pa ni Ribalde. To Maravillas. Counted this time for Mr. Maravilla. Brian. Humahanap ng screen si Brian. Lumusot sa gitna. No good. Big rebound by Iglupas. Nakita si Ribalde. Ribalde nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Velasco to Maravilla. No good. Hindi pumasok. Brian, nag-iisa. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nakumuha ng foul.
But I think that's a good foul.
Substitution ref.
Marbillas, warning for fouled out. Sabon Station under penalty.
So si Maravilla, fourth personal foul na daw. Yan, big rebound ni Sasa. Ribalde, taking his time. Makasling to Ribalde. Ribalde, humahanap ng screen, nag-crossover. Teardrops, no good. Makasling, putback, no good. Big rebound by Iglupas. With the putback, no good pa rin. Grabe kanimalas ang kwan sa ball station. Number 10. Pinasa kay number 17, Bernal. Bernal, nakita si number 11. Counted. Velasco. Makasling way downtown. No good. Ito na naman si number 10. Pinasa kay
Tingkang.
ito na si Ribalde. Wow! Malarondo si Ribalde.
Substitution.
Pero natapik.
Seventeen to shoot. Shot clock.
Velasco. Deflected. Same ball pa rin.
9 to shoot.
Velasco sa gitna. Sasa. Alright. Sasa. Oh my goodness. 24-second shot clock violation ang committed by Sabon Station. Strong pass sa ilalim to number Tingkang. Nakuha ni Velasco. Nagmamadali si DC Asis. Bang! Big block by number 7. What a nice rejection.
Abendan. Abendan.
19 to shoot. Shot clock.
What a strong block by Bendan.
Ribalde to Velasco. Velasco driving the basket. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Diasis.
Diasis.
Aggressive na si Diasis ngayon. No?
Grabe, physicality sa ilalim. Pero yung yung St. Peter, sige lang, dawat lang ta. Ganun lang yung pinakita ng attitude eh. Wala na sila daghan complaints. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
10 to shoot.
Number 10. Fade away, no good. Wow! St. Peter is just all over talaga. Abindan with that putback. Counted. Uy! Abinyag na i-foul ato. Yan ang gitsa. Rep, substitution, rep. Sub.
The assist. 10 penalty rep. Penalty. Penalty.
Grabe, zoom in mo na mo si
Ato, ibalik daw eh. Nakita.
na-board ka, Jay.
Yan pala. Na-board, nakado.
Ating videographer natin.
Bali naman kamera. Winnable SPC. Yes, correct. That's true. Kaya pa na, bilog ang bola. Yes, that's the attitude that we want to see. Shout out Dudong Sasa. Pakita ang galawang marama diha. Yes, of course, ma'am. Ano lang, na-injured lang si Sasa na igo sa agtang na samad. Just like his last game. Ito na. Ito na naman. Diasi sa ilalim. Guarded by 3.
10 to shoot.
Tama Rouse. No good. The assist na naman with a big rebound. Wow, the assist. Showing some strong move dyan sa ilalim.
Uy, eto na. 69-51. Humahabol ang Sabon Station, ha? 69-51 in favor of SPC.
Wow.
Tamaraw.
And to
Physicality
shoot.
sa ilalim. The physicality sa ilalim. Sabi ni number 11, rep, rep.
Alright.
Lingo-lingo lang si number 11, pero yan, tuloy pa rin.
58 seconds.
Uy, pero mahabol yung puntos ha.
Last warning
Ayan,
for foul
51-69.
Sabi ni Tingkang, sige lang. Parayan, labaw ta. It's okay.
Basket counted. Rebalde dribbling the ball, looking for an open man. Pass to Biguas. Biguas attacking the basket, driving.
Bigwas.
No good.
No good. Bantay mo ng bigwas, bigwasan mo na lang. Eto na.
Open for three.
10, no
No
good.
good. Rebalde, easy twos. 2 points. Rebalde. Yan, umahabol na. 53-70.
Number 7.
Oh, it's a block by the
Bendan.
Asis.
Wow. Nag-ano na sila, men. Nagpakitaay na silang mga moves.
Ito na, gumaganda yung laruan ni Diasis, ha?
Sabi ni ni Abendan, pakitaan buti ka. Sige, nakaglopos ako ha. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung mga silalim, physicality.
Okay, now, 2
Tingkang
points.
sa gilid. Rebalde.
5 seconds.
Wow! What a screen.
Butuha eh.
Tuha ito eh.
Dinig ko kahit naka-headphone ako.
Ah,
guys.
rinig ko yun.
The Asis, warning
1.4.
for fouled out.
Mala ano yun ah. Mala NFL yun.
1. Okay, end of the regulation. 72-53 in favor of SBC Tamaraos.
Yan. I like the mindset of the SPC Tamaraos. Despite the physicality that Sabon Station is showing, pa rin sila? They stay calm pa rin. They stay calm, showing sportsmanship pa rin. Yeah, that's the type of play that we actually look up to. Keep it up, St. Peter's College. And at the same time naman, dito sa Sabon Station, the pressure is really hitting them.
Tinuod
Since wala pa sa daog, no? They have to get this as much as possible. Kung mahimo lang yun, maapas lang yun nila. Ambot. I
Alright,
don't
shout
know.
out sa ating mga live viewers. Maraming salamat sa mga ka-GBL natin na nanonood on the live streaming of our Game Time Basketball League.
Yes, Kim Quijano. Shout out to watching from Barangay Bagong Silang. Kim Chastor, of course. Shout out sa imo, ma'am. Yes. Asa si Daily Pre. Ayan. CJ Oyster. Sulat pamanig endorsement. Harlo Ed. Balongkit. Kaya pa na. Yes, that's the attitude that we want to see from our live viewers supporting GBL right now. And of course, don't forget to follow our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, TikTok, and Instagram. And share this video as well.
Yes, back to the ball game po tayo, guys. Eto na, Garcia. Brian. Borata.
Wow. Burata showing some ball.
Oh, the
Wow,
steal.
nakuha. Sayang na recover lang. Brian, no good. Tingkang. Op.
Traveling.
Traveling violation daw, sabi ni referee.
Sixteen to shoot, shot clock.
Wow, let's get counted. The assist na naman for 2 points. Murata, nice block. Eto na, nakuha na yung
Wow.
laruan ni Morata.
This might be the
Rivalde!
momentum.
The Aussies recover the ball. Iglupas. Rivalde attacking the basket. The Aussies na naman. Oh, basket counted. Di pala.
Coach Padin. Coach Padin being Coach Padin.
10 to shoot.
Ito na, Rivalde na naman with a steal. Guarded by Brian. Nang kuha ng foul.
Kinukuha na ng foul and it's a good play for Rivalde.
Sabrep.
Yan, gipapahuway na gid si The Assist kay grabe ang effort na pinakita niya. Actually, yung Kalamangan, naginahinay nag-apas.
Okay, there you go. Kasi counted 56-72.
Yan, Sabon Station is slowly crawling up the lead of St. Peter's College.
8 minutes and 11 pa tayo. Marami pang oras.
Nakalusot
Kasi
yapon.
counted.
Hala. Oh my
Yeah.
God, this is bad. This is bad.
Dalawa yung
Oh my
game kasi
God.
counted.
Yo, this is bad for Sabon Station. And also for St. Peter's. Velasco is hurt. Meanwhile, Brian is also hurt
Dalawang bagsak.
sa ilang ankles. My goodness. This is bad. This is bad. Hello, lolo. Mo na akong ginaingon ganina manggod nga ang mga players maglisod gid sa laghunat tungod sa poste. Tama lang score daw, tama doon ang score. Sakto ng score, guys. Relax lang ta, relax lang ta. Wow, a sprained ankle by Brian. Ano to? Ano to? Malaking ano to? Not only for this game but their future games. Hopefully, he will recover fast. Pero pangiti-ngiti lang si Brian, parang he's not that hurt. Pero it looks like he's not coming back in this ball game. Yeah, we're happy to see him walk. And meanwhile, Velasco is also hurt. Hopefully that he's not that badly hurt. Yes, yes. The availability of the ring lang talaga. Oh. Mao na siya. That's what I've been mentioning a while ago. Maglisod yun ang players og plaster sa ilang mga floater.
Morata. Ayan. Pasa naman kay Morata ulit.
10 to shoot.
Grabe. Hello. Hello.
Okay,
yan.
sa ball station.
Relax lang tayo, guys. Gitawagan man to sa referee. Relax lang ta. Gitawagan man to sa referee. Grabe, naka-wild ang dula, guys.
15 to shoot. Shot clock.
The intensity and frustration is actually floating.
Quezon.
Bang! Ayan, offensive yan. The hyperextend of the elbow of Mr.
Quezon.
Quezon. Yan, sabi ni ano, sabi ni
Jason, second personal.
sabi ni Coach
First
Mark,
team
unspo
foul.
dapat 'yun. Yan, grabe. Despite the lead pa rin, furious pa rin si ano, si uy. May nakita ako doon sa ano. Sige, anyways.
May adjustment na ginawa.
May ano, may adjustment ginawa. Sa gitna.
Ang bilis talaga ni Matt.
May adjustment ginawa sa gitna doon kanina.
Let's go back to the ball game sa Sabon Station. Laban, 58-74, under 6 minutes.
Tumira si Sasa. Kapel! Oy! Halaka, that's huge!
Sasa for 3
That was big for Sabon Station.
points.
Yeah.
First
Ay,
personal,
actually,
second team foul.
galibog ko ba? Galibog ko ba?
Ano man?
Ang Sabon Station may daghang tawag. Ganong sila may frustrated kaayo.
Gani. Pero karon dapat din ang momentum kasi 61-74 na lang guys. So ayun, baba na lang. Bumaba man ang lamang ng ating SPC. So every ball possession talagang dapat pumapasok kasi mahaba pang
Yan,
oras.
sabi ni
44.
Chamea Manes, kalma lang.
Ah. Sasa na naman. Reload.
Bang! Hey! Halaka. Ito na. Hey! Quezon, so Sasa. Sasa. Hey! Ito na! La!
Sasa,
Alaka!
ito na. Woo! Bumababa na yung lamang ng ating Team SBC. 63-74.
Hala, 11 points na lang. 11 pa lang, nakabuhi. Oh!
Isa clean block, isa clean block.
Big
Ribalde.
block, Ribalde.
Uy!
Bola, St. Peter's College Tamarao.
Tinamaan sa paa.
Sabi ni Coach Padel, ayaw na magreklamo, balik na sa depensa, muapas na karon. Muapas na, balik na sa depensa, sabi ni Coach Padel. Ato ning gukuron.
Yes, kaya yan guys.
Yes.
Haba pang oras. Defense lang. Defense wins
11
games.
points na lang ang
Ayan.
kalamangan.
11 points lang baba sa
Wow,
11.
wow.
And to shoot.
Oh.
Ay, wide open three. Bang!
Yan na iwan.
St. Peter's replied.
Spear for
Ito na.
3 points.
Tingnan natin kung ano yung ano. Gagawin ng Sabon Station. Wow, sabi nila, klaro na kayo.
Ah, there's a foul.
Sabi ni Coach Mark, klaro na kayo, rep. Siguro si referee, lahi ang kita na.
So dadalawang
Third
free
personal,
throw for
third
Sabi ni
Sasa.
Coach Mark, ganina na ako naghangyo ni mo, rep. Sige lang, sige lang.
Okay, eto na.
77-63.
73.
Keep your cool, guys. Keep your cool, okay?
Pero alam mo naman ko, talagang intense yung intensity.
Yes.
Kasi bumababa yung 20 points, naging ano na lang, 11 points.
11 points. Buti na, nasunod 3 points. Back to 14 points.
Pero eto, Sasa will go for the free throw. First throw, basket counted. Yun.
Lolo. Sabi ni Coach
Rebound,
Padel,
Sasa.
Quezon, balik na.
Basket
Ayan.
counted. Ayun, dalawa na.
Wow, 5 minutes pa. Maraming mangyayari sa 5 minutes.
65-77.
Malapit na, malapit na. Eto na. Tingnan natin kung kaya bang i-defend yung St. Peter's ang ilang kalamangan.
Kaya yan, kaya yan.
Yan. Brian.
Sweet.
And to shoot.
Brian, no good.
Ayun. Sabon Station bus. Eto, so Ribalde.
Lolo. Yan. Sa ilalim! Sa ilalim! Si
Sasa,
Sasa,
short.
no good!
Sayang yun.
Wala, sayang.
Baba na sana sa
Sabi
10.
ni Burata, relax lang. Sa piler, pinatanaw sa oras.
Okay,
sabi
12
ni
points na
Sapiner.
yung lamang.
10 to shoot.
Wow, crossover. Pinasa kay Brian. Binalik ka sa pet. Deflected.
Uy, ayun!
Fast break. May
Makasling!
What? Come on, man!
Sayang yun, bay. Every
Bro!
possession.
Pero ano
Baba na
kasi
sana
yun?
sa 10.
Dito siya sa Pika side nag-face eh.
Oh,
Sa Pika side siya nag-face.
sayang yung dalawang ball possession na yun, ha?
Yeah.
Four minutes,
10 to shoot.
77:65.
Sa ilalim. Gilo pa rin. Traveling violation. Halaka. Halaka.
Eto. So dapat galingan yung team play ng
Yes.
Sabon Station.
Correct,
So para
correct, correct.
single digit na yung lamang nila, guys. Uy. Quezon. Uy, Rivalde. Oh! Ayun, let's go. Ayun, pasok na. And that will be a 10-point lead na yung baba ng lamang ng ating sa ayang SPC Tamaraos.
Lolo. Yan, 10 points na lang. 10 points na lang.
Burata,
10
struggling.
to shoot.
Almost lost. Bernal.
Nakabuhit.
Oh!
Bang!
3.6. 3 seconds. Shot clock, 3
3
seconds.
seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot.
Okay, tignan natin kung maka-hold ang defense ito, guys.
Oh.
Good. Alright, relax. Okay, titignan natin, guys. Review natin. Yan, very crucial kasi. Very crucial. Okay. Replay natin. Replay. All right, so this will be a decision for make. So we have our Samahan ng Basketballista ng Pilipinas, our team Bob, to announce.
Oh, no basket. Shot clock violation.
All right, so na-basket yun. Ayun, so again, baba sa 10. Sakto na. Points, 10 points na lamang. 10 points na lamang. Sakto ang course. 12 points lang lamang kanina. Nababa sa 10. Okay, back to the ball game. 77-67. Ito na. So, inbound, Rivalde. Sasa. Iglupas.
Makasling.
Jumper. No good. Wala yung rebound ng ating team sa station. Burata dribbling the ball. 2 minutes and 57.
10 to shoot. 5. Okay, receipt 14 shot clock. 14 to shoot shot clock.
Substitution. Sasa out, Marivilla
Balde,
in.
second personal, second team fouls.
I would Definitely disagree with that substitution though.
10 to shoot.
This is small man. No? Tarawa, iwan.
Wide open Brian. No good. Rebound Marabilia. Nag-isa si... Oy! Sayang yun! Ay! Sayang nga ito'y. Ito naman.
Abendan.
Relax lang, okay?
Talaga napaka-intense.
Wow.
10 to shoot. Shot lock.
Brian with the air. No good. Brian na naman.
Good! Yun! Eto na.
Rebalde.
Uy!
Eglupas. Sayang yun.
Last 2 minutes.
Substitution rep. Papasok si Diasis. Kunin niya si Eglupas. Eto na. We are now down to the last 2 minutes
10 points ang lamang
of
ng
this
ating
fourth
SBC.
quarter.
Hinabol ang Atubon Station.
Number 77. To Sapiler.
10 to shoot.
Sapiler. Tumira. No good. Ribalde. Marabilia. Nakita si Diasis. No good. Diasis na naman. Marabilias with the rebound. Nakuha.
Uy! Ganda,
Ni
ganda!
Ribalde.
Hustle play!
Bodies
Hustle
everywhere.
play!
Ribalde.
Uy! Ala.
Oh, yay. Sapiler nag-iisa. Counted.
Time out sa Bone Station.
St. Peter's just doesn't allow Sabon Station to take the lead closer. Grabe.
Akala ko bababa na sa single digit. Pero anyway, sayang yung mga ball possession ng ating Sabon Station. Pero kaya pa yan, guys. Kaya pa yan, guys. Okay, ball possession ng ating Sabon Station.
Sige na, up. Wag natin wag naman ganyan.
Sabi ni Orlando Allen na mulay laing point guard ang Sabon Station. Kaya kape.
Yes, si Ribaldi mangod.
Yeah, gihago kayo.
Sige na.
Rivalde!
Relax lang.
Makasling for 3. Oh, dalawang isip. Atake ni basket. Short.
Diasis, fouled out. Fouled out na Diasis.
1 minute and 4
13
seconds.
fouls.
79-67. Oh, the assist is foul out. Warning na siya kanina.
Seconds to play. 10 to shoot. 5.
Ayun, umaakyat ang lamang ng ating Specie Tamaraws.
Coach Padden,
Alright,
walang
so-
problema talaga si Coach Padden. I like the attitude that you're showing. No worries. Si Coach Padden talaga, isa sa mga coolest na mga coaches dito sa GBL. Yan.
25 seconds. Nineteen seconds.
Sige, dunk.
13 seconds. 10 seconds.
Grabe!
Big
Bigwas for 3!
Ano karon pa magipasunod si Bigwas? Dapat ganina na.
Bigwas ba? Wala to, pang reels.
Congratulations to Team SPC Tamaraos winning our game. And that ends our second game for our ball game resume since ating ayan, bagyong basyang Okay, so this will be a quick announcement for our second game. Congratulations, Summon Station versus Team SPC Tamarao. Our winner is no other than SPC Tamarao. And now to call in our Derek Xiao player of the game. Congratulations to Mr. Borata. Ayan, Sir Borata, sir, number 33. Please join me here po. Okay, so interviewin muna natin. Quick interview muna tayo. Okay, sir. Congratulations for another win for tonight. So, Mr. Borata.
Murata, daghan na kay kalo sa 4J.
So, ito na. So, congratulations for your win tonight. So, again, una sa lahat, that will be a great win for you today because, again, talagang lumamang kayo. But, again, what will be your team play to start up your game tonight?
Maura gyapon number 40 gyap jud ang depensa gyud namo. Mao gyud na gina.
Gaining your 27 points and now another player of the game win for you. Okay, 27 points. What will be the advantage? Paano ka nakapuntos ng 27 points tonight?
Kuan lang dito lang usa kong kuan scoring zone, perimeter, dayon transition, dayon cut lang. Mangitag open kay shooter man ako.
So most probably sa mga first half na laruan talagang open yung tira mo kanina. But the second half talagang pilit na yung mga depensa. So anong adjustment na ginawa mo, Mr. Borata?
Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good luck to everyone. Kini inyong Mayor, Freddy Xiao, ang pirming nga masaligan, masadigan, o masangpit sa tanan. Padayon, Asenso, Iliganon.